Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. So in this video, we'll talk about alkanes, which are the examples of hydrocarbons, aliphatic hydrocarbons. So alkenes are the simplest organic compounds. They are saturated hydrocarbons, meaning they have carbon-carbon single bond. Okay, they have carbon-carbon single bond, and they have the general molecular formula of CnH2n plus 2. This is the general molecular formula. So for example, the first member of alkane group with one carbon, when n is equals to 1, so when n is equals to 1, we have what we call methane. Okay, C1, okay, 1 carbon, then 2 times 1, which is the n, 2 plus 2, 4. This is called methane. Okay, this is called methane. When n is equals to 1, we have methane. When n is equals to 2, when n is equals to 2, we have ethane, that is C2, okay, H 2 times 2, 4, right, plus 4 plus 2, that is 6. So this is ethane. You can write it this way, okay, CH3 dash CH3. This is called ethane. Okay, this is the second member of the group. And when n is equals to 3, we have what we call the propane, okay, which is CH3, right, CH2, and then CH3, which is called propane, and so on and so forth.